To draw this cute princess, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw her hair. Draw a curve from the left side to the right side. Another small curve on the top of her head. And we are going to come back to where we started. I'm going to draw colors. And also draw a nice round curve for her face, connecting from the left side to the other side. And I'm going to draw a circle right on the edge, and same thing on the other side, about right here, and make them draw circle eyes. So choose more circles for highlights and shade around these two small eyes, and same thing on the other side. Let's see, here, let's give her a sweet smile, of course. So right in the center, about right here, choose more circles at the left and the right bottom to make blush. Then let's draw her body. I'm gonna come right in the center and give her a neck. Let's bring it down for her shoulders. Come down and come down to draw her dress. Also, draw a ribbon in the center. From there, I'm just going to bring this down, round curves to make her dress complete. So I'm gonna come right in the center and bring this angle line down. I'm just going to taper this down, and to get thinner as I come down, do the same thing over here. From there, I'm cutting off a curve for a shoe and connect it. And then, for some details on this shoe, draw a smile face. Also, do the same thing on the other side. So, they are finally done with that. Now, her sleeve and hand. I'm just having to her side, so just imagine her shoulder coming down. Okay, we are finished drawing, so now let's color the princess. So they are all done, and I really hope you love how this cute princess turned out. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed. Bye bye.